Ever wondered how well you truly know your body, or how familiar you are with the silent threat of fatty liver disease? As we journey through life, our bodies often become mystery territories, harboring health conditions that go unnoticed until it's too late. One such silent invader is fatty liver disease, an ailment that's more common than you might realize. Fatty liver disease, a condition characterized by an excessive accumulation of fat in your liver, is a global health concern. It's a silent affliction, often showing no signs until it has significantly advanced. This subtle nature makes it all the more critical for us to comprehend its symptoms, to stay vigilant and proactive about our health. By understanding the symptoms, we're better equipped to spot the potential signs of this disease in its early stages, potentially saving ourselves from future complications. Today, we delve into the top 9 symptoms of fatty liver disease, a condition that might be closer to home than you think. Fatigue, a state of constant tiredness, often gets brushed off as a byproduct of our busy lives. However, it's important to consider that persistent fatigue, which isn't relieved by rest, can be a symptom of something much more serious, like fatty liver disease. Now you might be wondering, how does the liver fit into this? Well, your liver plays a critical role in maintaining your body's energy balance. It processes nutrients from the food you eat, storing them as energy reserves for when you need a little extra boost. But when your liver is burdened with fat, its ability to perform these tasks gets compromised. Consequently, your body struggles to maintain its energy levels, leading to a state of persistent fatigue. It's like trying to run a marathon with a heavy backpack. Your body simply can't keep up. So don't brush off that persistent tiredness. It could be your body signaling a deeper problem. If you're enjoying this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Abdominal pain, particularly in the upper right area, is another symptom to be wary of. Now let's delve into why this occurs. Fatty liver disease, as the name suggests, is a condition where excess fat builds up in your liver. This fat buildup causes the liver to enlarge, and it's this enlargement that can lead to discomfort or even pain in your abdomen. Typically, this pain is felt in the upper right area, right where your liver is situated. This pain can vary from person to person. For some, it may be a dull, persistent ache. For others, it might be a sharper, more intense pain. The key here is persistence. If you're experiencing a constant or recurrent pain in your upper right abdomen, it's not something to brush off. Your body communicates through signals, and persistent pain, is a loud and clear signal that something isn't quite right. Remember, persistent pain is your body's way of signaling that something isn't right. Jaundice, a condition that turns the skin and eyes yellow, is another sign of fatty liver disease. Now, you might be wondering, how does jaundice come into play? It all comes down to a substance called bilirubin. This little compound is a byproduct of our body's natural process of breaking down red blood cells. Under normal circumstances, our liver is a superstar at handling bilirubin. It processes it, prepares it for elimination, and we go about our day none the wiser. But when fatty liver disease enters the scene, this well-oiled machine can falter. The liver struggles to process bilirubin as effectively as it should, resulting in a buildup of this yellow pigment in our bodies. And that's when we start to see the telltale signs of jaundice, a yellowing of the skin and eyes. But remember, jaundice isn't just about a change in skin color, it's a sign your liver might need attention. Swelling in the abdomen or legs, itching, and dark urine are 3 more symptoms you shouldn't ignore. Let's first delve into swelling, also known as edema. When your liver isn't performing at its peak, it struggles to produce enough proteins to keep fluid in the blood vessels. This can lead to fluid leaking out and accumulating in surrounding tissues, causing swelling. This often occurs in the legs and abdomen, so if you notice unexplained swelling, especially in these areas, it could be a sign of an underperforming liver. Next up, we have itching. Now, you might be surprised to hear that itching can be related to your liver's health, but it's true. When the liver is damaged, it struggles to efficiently break down and clear out toxins from the body. These toxins can then build up in the skin, leading to persistent itching. So, if you're experiencing itching that isn't related to a bug bite or an allergic reaction, it might be worth considering if your liver is trying to tell you something. Finally, let's talk about dark urine. The liver produces a substance called bilirubin. When the liver is healthy, it combines this bilirubin with other substances to create bile, which helps with digestion. However, when the liver isn't functioning properly, excess bilirubin can build up in the body. This can lead to the urine becoming darker. So, if you notice your urine is consistently darker than normal, it could be a sign of liver disease. Each of these symptoms can be easily overlooked. Swelling might be dismissed as weight gain, itching as an allergic reaction, and dark urine as dehydration. But together, they paint a picture of potential liver damage. So, it's crucial to listen to your body and seek medical advice if you notice these symptoms persisting. It's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your health. Unexpected weight loss, mental confusion, and spider angiomas are final symptoms on our list. Let's first discuss unexpected weight loss. When the liver is not functioning properly, it struggles to metabolize the food we eat. This means that nutrients are not being absorbed as efficiently, which can lead to unanticipated weight loss. It's not the kind of weight loss you'd expect from diet and exercise, but rather a sudden drop in your weight without any apparent reason. It's important to note that while losing weight is often seen as a positive thing, unexplained weight loss can be a sign of underlying health issues, including fatty liver disease. Next up is mental confusion. This symptom might seem unrelated to the liver, but it's actually a consequence of the liver's inability to filter out toxins from the blood. These toxins can then cross the blood-brain barrier, leading to a condition known as hepatic encephalopathy. This can manifest in a variety of ways, from mild confusion and forgetfulness to severe cognitive problems and changes in personality. It's a symptom that should never be ignored, as it indicates that the liver is struggling to perform its detoxifying role. Finally, we come to spider angiomas. These are small, spider-like blood vessels that can appear on the skin. They're a result of the liver's impaired ability to regulate the level of hormones in the body. When the liver's function is compromised, it can lead to an excess of estrogen, which in turn causes these abnormal blood vessels to form. Spider angiomas are often found on the face and upper body, and while they're usually harmless, their presence can be a sign of serious liver disease. It's important to realize that these symptoms may be signs of a fatty liver disease, a condition that can have serious health implications if left untreated. So, if you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's crucial to seek medical advice promptly. After all, your health is your wealth, and knowledge is the first step towards safeguarding it. So, to summarize, the top 9 symptoms of fatty liver disease include: first up, we have persistent fatigue. It's not just the run-of-the-mill tiredness after a long day. No, we're talking about a constant nagging exhaustion that doesn't seem to budge, no matter how much rest you get. Next is abdominal pain, specifically in the upper right area of your tummy. This discomfort can range from a dull ache to sharp, stabbing sensations. It's not something to be brushed off as mere indigestion or a bad meal. Then there's jaundice, a condition that gives your skin and the whites of your eyes a yellowish hue. This happens when there's too much bilirubin, a waste material, in your blood. Symptoms 4 to 6 are swelling, itching, and dark urine. Swelling in the legs and abdomen can be a sign of fluid buildup, while itching is due to bile products deposited in the skin. Dark urine, on the other hand, is another indicator of excess bilirubin in the body. Last but not least, we have weight loss, confusion, and spider angiomas. Unexplained weight loss can be a red flag for a number of health issues, including fatty liver disease. Confusion, on the other hand, can be a sign of hepatic encephalopathy, a condition caused by toxins in the bloodstream that the liver can't remove. Spider angiomas or spider veins are small, dilated blood vessels that can appear on your skin, another possible sign of liver disease. Each of these symptoms is a signal from your body, a call to action, if you will. They are your body's way of telling you that something is off balance and needs your attention. Ignoring these signs could lead to more serious health issues down the line. So it's important to listen to your body and seek medical attention if you notice any of these symptoms. Remember, your health is in your hands. The more you know, the better you can protect yourself. Stay informed, stay healthy.